Hi guys, thank you for joining me today, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make money online with a few strategies. There is a very popular website online right now that you can use to make money from your living room. You don't have to do anything. All you need to do is sign up and start promoting products, and you'll start making money. And the website is ClickBank. ClickBank is just an affiliate marketing website where people post their products on there, and sometimes they do launches, like they can launch a new product, and all you need to do is find a niche where you feel comfortable. There's so many products there and so many niches there. Like for example, you can do health and beauty, you can do weight loss. Just pick a niche, go through the different products that they have there, find a way to promote it, and you start making money. Some people make as much as $1 million, $8,000, $10,000, $50,000 just promoting products. So if you want to learn more about this video, all you need to do is hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll give you tips on how to make money and how people have made money using ClickBank. ClickBank is a sure way of making money. You don't have to see the product. All you need to do is find the product that you find attractive, or you like, or a niche that you can actually promote. And once you see the product, they actually post how much money you're going to be making each time you get a sale, because you need to provide the sales for them to be able to pay you. So that's nothing, because there are so many avenues where you can use to promote this product and earn as much as you want to earn. The good thing about this is you don't have to have a website, you don't have to have any upfront cost. All you need to do is find the product, like I said, and promote it. And once you promote it through the link or the description of the product and everything, and people are interested in buying it. And one good thing about this is that you can promote it worldwide. It doesn't have to be in your own city and to people that you already know. You can promote it to whoever and wherever people are. And once they see the product and they like it and they buy it, you get a commission for it. So it's like a commission-based thing, and you get commission for it. And a lot of people are killing it on the website, doing massive sales and everything. And I've made a lot of money too on it. And I can assure you, if you sign up to my class, you're gonna make a lot of money. I'm gonna show you easy ways and the mistakes not to make while signing up with ClickBank and trying to navigate everything. It's a lot, but if you have somebody to guide you, to teach you what to do, it becomes very, very, very easy. So thank you for watching this video once again. Make sure you smash the like button and you subscribe and you turn on your notification for more videos like this. And until next time, I'll see you later.